We use the present simple in different ways in order to express the fact which is always true or true for a long time. Examples: he comes from England. She works in a shop. The present simple tense also expresses a habit. Examples: he works all weekdays. She goes to work by bus. In this chart, we can see the affirmative form of this verb tense. Examples: we start at 7 o'clock. She starts at 7 o'clock. You form the third person singular, he, she, it, of most verbs in the present simple by adding s. In the negative form, we use the auxiliary do or does plus the particle not. Example: they do not start at 7 o'clock, or they don't start at 7 o'clock. She does not start at 7 o'clock, or she doesn't start at 7 o'clock. In English, there are two types of questions: WH questions or yes/no questions. WH questions begin with question words: who, what, when, etc. Example: when do they start? When does it start? In yes/no questions, we begin without a question word. We begin with the auxiliary do or does. Example: do you work? Does she work? Here, there are 3 points for you to remember. First, when we make questions in negatives, we use do or does. Second, in questions, the subject comes after do or does. And third, in questions with does, there is no s at the end of the main verb.